Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called Haptic, and once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the vibration intensity levels. We have off. If this option is selected, the vibration will be off. Then we have a standard, and then strong. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's one is a bit stronger than the standard, the strong basically. Okay, so select the one you like, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.